Pushing the envelope, unleashing your potential. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that you might have heard before, pushing the envelope. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also inspire you to challenge your own limits. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Pushing the envelope is a metaphorical expression used to describe the act of testing boundaries and extending beyond the current limits of performance. Originally used in aviation, this phrase now applies to any context where individuals or groups strive to surpass established norms or achieve something innovative and groundbreaking. The term, pushing the envelope, comes from the world of aviation. It refers to pilots testing the limits of their aircraft, literally pushing the boundaries of what the engineers had determined to be safe operational parameters, or the envelope. This concept has since been adopted in various fields, symbolizing the pursuit of excellence and the desire to explore uncharted territories. In technology, companies push the envelope by developing cutting-edge innovations. In sports, athletes push the envelope by breaking records and setting new benchmarks for performance. In education, students push the envelope by pursuing novel approaches to learning and problem-solving. You can use pushing the envelope in both professional and casual settings to describe efforts to go beyond conventional limits. For instance, the new marketing strategy really pushes the envelope, combining AI with traditional advertising. She's always pushing the envelope in her art, experimenting with materials and techniques that are out of the ordinary. Pushing the envelope is a powerful phrase that encourages us to challenge ourselves, innovate, and strive for excellence. It reminds us that the boundaries of today can be the starting points of tomorrow. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to push your own envelopes in life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to challenge yourself every day.